Making quiet audio louder in NeonWaves is quick and easy. First, open your audio file or drag and drop it into the app. This is what it sounds like right now.
Loudness recording test 1.
This recording is way too quiet. To make it louder, select the entire track or just the part you want to improve. Next, go to Transform, Amplitude, and choose Normalize. NeonWaves analyzes the audio and adjusts its level, making it louder while keeping the peaks from clipping. Click Apply, and listen to the difference it made.
Loudness recording test 1.
The second option is doing it manually. Go back to Transform, Amplitude, and click Amplify. Then select one of the loudness presets or change it yourself. Click on Apply, and here is the result.
Loudness recording test 1.
And that's it. Your audio is louder and ready for further editing in NeonWaves. But if you also want to remove the background noise, then check out the video here.